I'm Brady Ross. Born and raised in West Texas. I served in the military, moved around a little bit, ended up here in Colorado. I went to HVAC school and got the opportunity to work at WireNut. It gives me that military type feel, you know, like the family and everything. You know, I get to come in, I get to talk to everyone, have that connection. So my first call is a no heat. It's a 4 to 7-year-old system. I try to find a little location, try to get my day started. I'll look at my notes and everything, get a vibe on how I'm going to run this call.
Good, how are you?
I am great. You're having some HVAC problems?
Yeah, like I say, seems like the basement and the main level get heat pretty well, but the upstairs is pretty cold.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. I'll definitely come out and help you, and we can figure that out and see what's going on with that, okay?
Okay.
I'm about 25 minutes out. Is that okay with you right now?
Yep.
All righty, George. I'll see you shortly, okay?
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You gotta let your fellow WireNut guys, they love me. They love me. Never comes to my favorite part, the pull up and the introduction. It's my favorite part. You know, you never know what you're gonna go into. I think that's the key to everything, is building that trust with the homeowner. Hey, George.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Brady, WireNut.
How you doing? The other night it was 75 in here and it was barely 65 upstairs.
Oh, wow. You got dogs, cats, or anything like that?
Got 2 little dogs.
2 little dogs? They shed a lot? Not really. When I have this heat up, can we possibly head upstairs and kind of feel like a vent?
Yeah. They are very, very harmless.
Oh my goodness. This is what makes my day. Oh yeah. Oh. That's what makes my day. Check the attic, make sure all the ductwork up there is good. Make sure everything's connected with the inside. All right, let's go. Everything was attached, good insulation. So he has a high efficiency furnace. He most likely is losing a lot of airflow inside the ceiling. I want to recommend AeroSeal duct cleaning. A good AeroSeal and a good duct cleaning. Seal up his whole duct system so he can use his furnace at a full capacity. So you're losing pressure as you get into upstairs.
Yeah.
Okay, so this has to travel all the way up.
Yeah.
And in between that travel, your ductwork is losing all that pressure. So what you need to get done is a AeroSeal. It's pretty much like a relining of your ductwork throughout your whole house. And the good thing is you don't need a new system. You know, you're not spending $20,000 for a new system. So I'm 100% sure this is going to fix your problem across the board. All right, George, you're welcome. Beautiful system, 2012 built with the home. With any other builds, you're going to get those leakage throughout the ductwork. They're not getting their full efficiency to the ductwork that's in the attic for them as well. So we're going to seal it up and clean up their ducts and make sure everything's good. We got that scheduled for next week, Wednesday. Really awesome customer, super cool. A lot of customers, they probably freak out when they see technicians come out to their house because they're like, oh no, now I'm going to spend an arm and a leg. So without replacing his whole system because it's not working properly, we're going to seal up his duct and make it work properly without getting a new system. So now we're just setting up for the next job.
Hello?
Hey Travis, this is Brady with WireNut. I'm your senior technician to come out look at your furnace, and I am about 25 minutes out. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Yes, sir. I'm ready. You ready to go? A second job of the day. We're going out to pretty much a second look for one of our M2s. He went out, did a maintenance call. He found a couple of things that's wrong with the system, very alarming. He realized, hey, it's a 20-year-old system. He's already done repairs on it before. He wants us to get a senior out there because there's a couple of things that he wants me to look at and give the best options for the customers. Hey, Travis, it's Brady with WireNut.
Hey,
Nice to meet you. I know Trevor was out here. We did the inspection and everything, make sure it's up and running, and we get stared at. Oh, so you know the age of the system?
20 years.
Yeah.
2021, I think. It's like right at that. They've already.
Yeah. Okay, so you already got the full extent on everything.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, you want to show me the thermostat? We'll go from there. Let's turn that heat up a little bit. Let's get it rolling, get it going. Did Trevor tell you about the new laws that are going in January 1st? Yeah. You ever notice it like shutting off on you last couple years?
A couple years ago, that was an issue.
Yeah.
It just seemed like it come on and be like cut on and cut off.
The integrity of the board's already compromised, and that motor right there, you never know when mechanics on Brady. You know how it is, right?
Yeah.
That's one thing I would 100% be proactive on is changing this bare minimum. And I'm always going to leave you that option because who am I to tell you, hey, you don't deserve a new system?
No.
I would have to go outside. Let me make some calls and get numbers on that.
Yeah, no.
Alrighty, so came out to the second look for a 20-year-old Goodman system. Second look on everything with Trevor was out here. He's one of our maintenance guys. Going over his findings, my findings. I go into depth a little bit. There's a couple things that's wrong with the system. We're overheating. Heat load is a little high. Inducer motor is overamping. And the control board itself has discoloration and burn marks on the back of it. So the integrity of the control board is gone. So I'm gonna call the parts place, find out how much parts are. I'm gonna give the homeowner a couple options and we'll go from there. Hey Greg, this is Brady with the WireNut.
What's up, Brady?
Hey, how are you doing today?
Good. How you doing?
Good. I'm looking for a couple of parts. It's gonna be an inducer motor and control board.
Let me look that up real quick. Both in stock. And then whatever you need, just have Ashley call it in and
Cool.
we'll order it.
Yes, sir.
All right, bud. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Pretty much the breakdown. You got each item for repair. If you want to do the full repairs, or we can just upgrade the system and have them all the warranties and everything in the long run. So basically gonna go in, talk to the homeowner, see what he wants to do. So the control board, 1-year warranty on it. Looking for the control board. Okay. The inducer motor, exact same thing, 1-year warranty, all that stuff, okay. Pretty much the same. And I give you the option on, let's upgrade this system, everything. I give you that, the 1111 discount on there too. We're gonna do a full layout of the house and we're gonna get a right sizing for the house. Alrighty, now I'm gonna start scanning. So it's a really cool technology. We're the only ones in Colorado Springs that actually does this. I'm getting square footage from windows to doors for the whole entire house. Finish the scan right here. You see how that pans all the way up there, lines everything out. It's a really cool tool. And the cool thing about this too is that you can see what's in the house. Like there's a couch, you know, bed. Yeah, super awesome. Technology's coming a long way. While I'm down here too, I want to do measurements for the full install. So once I leave here, I'm already having them on the phone, ordering all your parts and all that good stuff. Okay.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir. Cool. I'll email all this over to you.
Yeah.
I got you on the board
Okay.
for Monday,
Okay.
and we'll go from there.
Yeah, no, sounds good.
Alrighty.
No.
Went in, talked about repairs over replace. Travis wants to be proactive and replace his system. He's 20 years old. And yeah, pretty cool. Thank you for coming with me, seeing the day in life as a WireNut technician for the past half my day. Hopefully I'll see you around.